Number 4 is my buddy from India, Girish Kario, if that is how you pronounce it. Hope it is. You have some really good lighting in your apartment or in your room, in your house.
Hey guys, in this video we're going to see how to turn this lighting to
5 others that made it to my top 6. Yeah, I'm gonna give you something extra, so make sure to check your DMs on Instagram because Nanlite will hook you up with some goodies for participating, so that is awesome.
Now we are going to unbox this mystery box from Peter and Nanlite and gonna see what's inside. Welcome back guys, so let's unbox this package. Something is written in Chinese guys, I don't know what is that. Oh, here we have a box from Nanlite. There's a box. There is some bag kind of thing. And a Nanlite sticker. So these are the Nanlite stickers they have given. A list of all their products as stickers. Nice. Next we have a box and a bag. Let's see what's inside this bag. Oh, it's a hat guys, with their logo, Nanlite logo. On the front we have a hat. How am I looking? Nice. I have a mirror here actually, that's what I'm looking. Yeah, I like the hat. Thanks Nanlite. And what more? Actually they asked me what's my t-shirt size, so I also expected I would get a t-shirt. And yes, we have a t-shirt here. With the branding in the front and Nanlite Forza 500 image on the back. Nice. Oh, we have a waste bag from Nanlite. So these are the small gifts for just winning the runner-up of Nanlitemysetup giveaway. There's a small pouch within this. I can keep one of my lenses in this pouch, I think. Lens pouch. This is kind of a waste bag, guys. Waste bag. So thank you Peter and thank you Nanlite for sending me these cool stuffs. I'm really happy of getting these from you guys. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. It's just a small video of sharing my happiness with you. Thanks for all the support you have given to me till now, and that's all. If you're new here, do hit that subscribe and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. So yes guys, that's it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Until then, it's your Kario signing off.